So Bob was on Amazon the other day, and he's like, he orders something, and I wasn't exactly sure what it was that he ordered. And come to find out, it's a new type of light. And so he's changing out our lights in here. And, hey, can you flip those on so we can see how bright they are for just a second? So this is how bright they are before they're changed out. Okay. And then these new lights that he's got, they are bizarre. What's wrong there? Oh, the bulbs are hot?
No.
Oh. He's such a... And of course he's got his little sidekick right by him. Because Bob can't move without that dog right on him. Was there a bunch of water on top of the goose pen this morning? I heard him out there yapping at you. I've been on this post where Jamie Lee Curtis donated $1 million to the wildfire relief fund. I don't know, or pledged it, and people like to have lost their minds. And it's like, why? She doesn't have to do this. It's her money. And then, of course, it's all got to turn political. If you had the right people running that state and local, then this would have never happened. And it's like, I didn't realize that state and local officials could control the Santa Ana winds or an arsonist's, intent. But okay, people are funny. Anyways, back to this light. And try to dial it in here. Yeah, that is our AC vent, and it is kind of gross. And Bob will take that out and clean it off, but just not right now because the weather's nasty outside. Okay. Oh, let me see. Okay, hold it out. Hold your arm out. This is the old light. They're LEDs. And these, hang on, are the new ones. Okay, and you're going to see the difference here. And I apologize, but I have pulled muscles in my back, so my arms are really shaky trying to hold my camera out like that. I know, he's like, oh, like whatever, but it's true. I have pinched nerves in my neck and shoulders, and it's just no bueno. Wow, yeah, those are really bright. And then so when he gets down from there, I will have him show you them up close. So he's going to go through and change the lighting out in all of the lights in here. Including the bathroom? All of them? Cool. Yeah, those suckers are bright. So we have lights like this, where you can see this. We have LED lighting in here. Wow, yeah, that's bright. See, compared. LED, new. Okay, so new LED, new LED. Hey, wait a minute. I'm getting ahead of new LED, old LED. You can see the difference.
I think it makes it a little brighter in here.
Yes, it does. Okay, so before you start on that, do you want to bring that box over here so I can...
Why?
So we can see the lights up close, because I can't really zoom in too well. This is what they look like. And how much did you pay for that?
$14.
$14, and how many are in there?
20.
20 lights for $14. And they will be changing out all of them in the trailer. Pretty cool.